Hi everybody, it's Lon from Lynn's Crafts Designs. Oh my goodness, it rained yesterday evening. It's been 100 degrees for I don't know how long. Month and a half, 2 months, 3 months, I don't know. It was 111 these last couple of days. So it rained. Today it's only 97. It's a miracle, I'm telling you. It's a Texas homegrown miracle. Now whether it'll be any cooler tonight, that's another question. Man. Okay. If you got a stuck jar, non-glass jar, let's say, bang it on the edge of the counter. I did it on my edge of my table. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm doing another one of these ornaments, this time Halloween themed. This time I'm gonna try, just jump along ahead of yourself when you're talking to the camera, don't you? Soft touch varnish. I'm using it because I have it. I got it on sale forever ago, 6 years ago or something like that. Before, I've done it with the Deco Art. I'm sorry, this is Deco Art Media. I've done it before with the Deco Art Media, the Crackle Glaze. I've also done it with Ranger's Rock Candy Crackle Glaze. I've also done it with the Finnabar's. This is the the mermaid effect paste. Thank you. And that has a gorgeous effect. I actually bought another one, but I don't know what I did with it. So typical. Okay, this is actually kind of thin. Just trying to shake it up a little bit. I don't think it was supposed to be that thin. Oh yeah. This is what you tuned in for, right? Okay. Oh yes, it's much more like Elmer's glue. Hey, we're gonna try that one of these days. Except I may only have wood glues. Not even sure if I have any school glue. Okay. I'm just gonna do one of that. I'm sorry, y'all. Hope I'm not shaking the camera too much. Okay, I just painted my finger, so to speak, trying not to contaminate the rest of the glass, which I actually just did. I mean, it scrapes off, but and yes, I actually thought about trying a thicker chip kind of brush, but I really think the stippling of the glue has an effect on the texture. Okay. Sorry. You know, I'm sorry, I would spill it. I just would. Okay. Now, let's try a little bit of the glitters. Actually, I want to try... I got out some of the peacock blue Alexis Chameleon powder. And I just want to try now. I'll try to remember to put a link for these spoons. They're just off of Amazon. I'm gonna hold it back at the back so I've got a lot of springiness in the spoon. Hoping that will allow it to shake a little finer. Okay, now I can be a little more specific where I put it. Alright. These are the ones that you absolutely cannot read them. I think they say Laza. Yeah. L-A-Z-A. Which I'm sure is L-A something or other. Like L.A. Colors. What I like about these is it's a combination of fine and chunky glitters. Got a little bit of holographic to it. Okay. Now these are... Yes, I can so read that. I can read purple. This one has a little bit more opalescence and a little bit more of the fine glitter mix. Real quick, I just wanted to show you a shot of what it looked like before it dries. I go ahead and put it together while it's still wet. That helps it seal with glue together, but it doesn't have any problem drying. So it may take overnight, but let's see. I was looking at... I don't know if you can see, but right through here is some of that mica, and I'm sure it's throughout, but that's just where it caught my eye. Let's check. Oh, the other side. Oh, there's some right there. Really pretty. Some more right here too. Yeah, this side got a lot more. Alright, I'll be back in the morning to show you what it looks like and to keep on. I'm gonna use some of the Prima molds. I'm gonna put the skull on one side and maybe, I don't know, maybe a bird skull on the back. I wanted to do black vinyl bats cut out of my silhouette. I haven't learned how to use it yet. Alright, I'll try. It won't be on this project, but maybe on the next one. Okay? Alright. Okay. Here's what we've got so far. Now, the soft touch varnish didn't actually dry as clear as some of the other products that I've used, but that doesn't seem to affect it much. I can still see plenty of the mica. The glitter might not be quite as sparkly, but I'll put glitter on top, so that doesn't matter. Okay, let's do a little refresher. This is the Adirondack ink, and I don't know what color it is. It's that color. I'm cracking myself up. This actually says chunky glitter. That's all it says. It's Chunky Glitter brand. And like I said, this is Laza, L-A-Z-A. I think it's L-A something. Okay. I can't tell y'all how much we video creators hate these kind of videos, but my camera was full, so it didn't record any of the adding the air dry clay, painting it, my excitement at doing my very first vinyl cutting on the Silhouette machine that I actually won like 3 days before I had open heart surgery. So I have had a fear, an irrational fear of the darn thing, but it turned out it's super easy, so I don't know what I was worried about. Anyway, this is the Prima mold Wings and Bones. So I obviously did a skull with wings, and then a bird skull with bones. I believe this side actually needs a little bit more glitter, maybe up here, to bring it all together. But I just want to share my sorrow with you. My fish tank sounds that you've always heard in the background, those are probably gonna stop. My my last fish, my sucker fish, Hoover, passed away last week. So he was, 14 inches or so long, 13, 14 years old. So yeah, that tank is gonna go out of here. I am so tired of telling my husband, the fish tank needs water, the fish tank needs water, the fish tank needs water. Alright, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.